Okay, so I'm back again. Let's start. I am connecting to your energy. So, whoever is going to watch this video and whoever is watching this video, you need to take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in so that I can connect your energies and understand what kind of energies you are in right now so that I can give you a psychic reading about your current situation. Because, see, I'm just going to focus on your current energy. I'm not going to tell you what is happening tomorrow and what is going to what happened in the past. Because my spirit guides have clearly told me this people, whoever is watching this video, needs to be in the present energy because this person is completely into the future. You are into your future side. You might also sleep on the right side, like आप ऐसे right side में face करके अगर आप सो रहे हो तो you need to understand that you're too much into future. You're completely procrastinating your life and you're completely very messed up and you're completely worrying about your future. What is going to happen tomorrow? You're completely, even if you're taking a bath, you'll be like, oh my god, what am I going to do after I take a bath? You have to just take a bath, you guys. You have to just be there. You have to just be there doing what you are actually doing. So that is the reason I'm going to focus on your current energy. I want to know what's happening with you right now and what is going, well, how can you deal with the situation right now and how can you come out of that um, challenge that you're facing. And the challenge that you're facing in your current energy is only and only you are your biggest blockage. Your mind is your biggest blockage. You are your biggest blockage. And my spirit guides are trying to tell you that most of the people who are watching this video might also sleep with their mouth open. And those who are sleeping with their mouth open, understand for a fact that you are inviting depression in your house. This is happening because your throat chakra is completely suppressed and you're sleeping with your throat chakra. Sleeping with your throat chakra means that you are not able to express what exactly you want to express. You are keeping a lot of things within yourself. So, in the recent timings, you are going to sleep with your mouth open because you're sleeping with your throat chakra. You really need to start doing some breath work. It's very important. Start doing some breath work, start breathing, you guys, because you are breathing in a wrong way. Your legs are paining, your lower back is paining, your feet is most of the time cold, your feet is like I don't know why cracking. There are some people whose feet have started cracking already, and the spirit guides are telling me it is happening because there is no oxygen in their lower body, because they are using their mind so much that all the oxygen is only going in your mind. In your mind, you are using your mind so much. Try to, feet are cracking and swelling, that's what I'm telling you. You try to understand that what, one second. Okay, try to understand that the life that you're living needs extra attention, extra awareness. And it's not awareness about what that person is doing in your life, what this person is doing in your life, what is going to happen tomorrow. It's all about what am I doing now, and whatever I'm doing now, am I doing it correct? Because you're not aware. You're always like, even if you're sleeping, you're thinking that, what should I be doing tomorrow? And while you're thinking about that, you're actually ruining your postures, you're actually ruining your thoughts, you're actually ruining that your present moment. You're not living your life. And you need to come in center, you need to come in present, you need to just stop. Stop your past, stop your future, and start living your present. You need to stop. Sometimes you might also sleep on the left side, and some people, there are two type of people sleeping on the left side. People who are sleeping on the left side like this, you're sleeping on the left side, you are not over your past. You seriously need a past trauma healing. You really need to let go of your past because you're still holding on to it, and that is the reason you are continuously in your past. So you might also dream about your past most of the time. And when you sleep on the right, you are, see, that is what I'm not telling you sleep in the center, sleep like this. I'm just telling you, be very aware. Your actions are telling a lot about your internal being, and I don't know why you are not focusing about those things. I don't know why you are just not focusing about those things. These are something that you need to change in your life. And you know what I'm telling you, I don't know why, but You are a person, spirit guide. This is a channelized message. This is a heavy channelized message because I'm getting very difficult to channelize this message. You are a good person externally. Internally, you can be a vamp. Internally, you can be a ball full of hatred. You have hatred towards your family, you have hatred towards your ex girlfriend, ex boyfriend, you have hatred towards your friends, so you have a lot of hatred. And this is happening, everything around you disturbs you. This is a very internal feeling. I know that a lot of people might not write in the comment section that it resonates with me, because let me be very honest, this is something that no one will be accepting it. So this is a very internal feeling, and I feel everything around you, even the slightest change, actually disrupts your mind and makes you frustrated, because you are living a life wherein you are planning every fucking thing. You are living with a plan. And trust me, universe is really, really very, very nice in breaking all the plans and making everything very, very unpredictable for you. Universe is making your life difficult because you have made your life much more complicated, and you are just not letting universe give you what you want, because you are not giving universe the permission to do what the universe wants to do, because you want to plan your life. You want to plan your today, tomorrow, day after. You cannot be unpredictable. And if you cannot be unpredictable, stop expecting or manifesting from universe. This was very heavy channelized message right now. Stop expecting and stop manifesting. Stop it right there. Because if someone is calling you and someone is telling you, can you just meet me right now? It's very urgent. And if you're not going there, if you're feeling anxious, stop manifesting. Do not ask anything from the universe. If someone is telling you that I think you should do this, and if you're not taking that opportunity, stop manifesting. Because this is how baby universe is going to give you opportunities. This is how universe is going to do things for you. But you are not letting the universe do anything, because you live with a plan. And if you are living with a plan, universe can't help you, can never help you. Let's see what is the first card that the universe wants to give us. Spirit guides, what exactly is the current energy of the people who are watching this video? Please give me one single card. Energy of the people who are watching this video. Energy of the people who are watching that. 10 of Pentacles. A lot of people are going to buy this for healers, psychic. I don't know why, but there can be an urge to buy a puppy. There can be an urge to buy a little, there is going to be a lot of psychic healers and spiritual practitioners are healing their inner childhood wounds. So if you're a healer or psychic, I feel like you're working on your inner child healing, and with that you can also buy a puppy, or you can also share some love with some kind of animals, because I definitely see animals around you. So you can plan on getting an animal or getting a pet at your house, but there is going to be a family bonding happening here. I feel Bella Sharma, you can go to her profile if you really like her. अभी तो वो यहाँ पे नहीं है, अभी तो मैं हूँ यहाँ पे, तो आप मुझे देख सकते हो, ठीक है? तो there is a family bonding that is happening, and I feel that you guys are going to bond with your family members. There is something that might suddenly happen that is going to bond, that is going to help you get in touch with your. I guess you should hear it because my mic is on. So you are going to start being together. Okay, there is going to be communication happening. There is going to be deeper level of commitment coming towards you. For people who are already in relationship, you guys can start talking about marriage. Spirit guides are telling you that marriage is possible. If you are, this can be a message for anyone who's watching this video. If you're waiting, and if you think that your marriage is impossible, you feel that I don't think so that we are going to get married ever. Spirit guides are telling you your marriage is possible. Yes, your marriage is possible. And things are getting communicated. People are talking about it. People are actually thinking that maybe we should actually give it a chance. Maybe we should actually do what they want to do. So there is this energy, current energy, wherein I feel that even you want to get settled, you want a family, and you are wanting a good family life. You're actually moving towards having a good family life. You are actually in a path, or you are actually in a process of either connecting with your family members back again, or healing your inner child, or basically getting settled, wanting to get married, or having a commitment coming towards you. So these are the things that I'm sensing here. Current energy में ये सारी चीजें I feel it's happening. A lot of people are also thinking or planning to buy a house, or maybe there can be a renovation at your place, or maybe you want to buy a new house. There can be already already office renovation can also happen. Something is changing, and that will require a lot of money. So there is going to be expense coming in. Maybe you are going to put some expense in a vacation. You are going to go to certain place wherein there is going to be expense happening. But then I definitely see that there is going to be major expense in transformation. So it can be that you might transform your house, or maybe you are transforming your complete house or address. There is going to be a shift that is coming. So currently these things are in line. These Your energy is moving around doing all of these things. So right now your energy is doing a lot of things, okay? Lot of things. Like you are unconsciously, subconsciously manifesting these things. These things are coming towards you. King of Cups energy. I feel that you're getting more. Some people, you are the spirit guys are telling me that you guys are going to find it very difficult to balance your emotions right now. Emotions can overpower you. You might feel that, why am I being so emotional right now, and I do not even. But right now you are going to balance your emotions in a very mature way. I feel that whoever is watching this video always had an emotional dependency issue. So you always needed someone to help you ease out your emotions. Or if you're feeling very lonely, you talk to your friend, and your friend is making you feel better. If you're feeling very left out, you talk to someone and you feel better. If someone did something to you, you talk to someone. It's 11:11, by the way. So you talk to that person, and so right now the spirit guides are blessing you with emotional maturity. A lot of people who are watching this video is going to move ahead with emotional maturity. So you guys are going to develop yourself emotionally. So right now you're facing all of those emotions that you used to feel, and you used to be dependent on to someone else all alone. Universe is like it's like a new beginning, and the new beginning is not in terms of money or love. Majorly the new beginning is going to be you handling yourself emotionally, because that has been your major blockage in your life. This is actually a challenge that you um see, look at this. This is actually a challenge. Having an emotional maturity and able to listen to people, only noticing things, not talking about what you actually feel is very difficult for you. You really like talking about what you actually feel to others, and you are a bad listener. If someone is telling you something about their life, you start relating it to yours, and you start thinking about that, okay, I have dealt with the similar issue, and you start talking about your issue. So you do not let others talk. You are not a good listener, but everything is changing now. You're starting to be a good listener. You're starting to notice things. You're talking less. You are being alone. You're isolating yourself. You are changing your behaviors. You're changing your way of living, and you are becoming much more mature emotionally. You are not cribbing about things. You used to crib about every single thing, but right now you are like, I am um, responsible for this emotion, and I am going to take care of it. So you're not sabotaging people around you, because previously if you were frustrated, You used to frustrate the whole fucking house. If you were frustrated, you used to frustrate your person. If you were angry, you used to make the other person angry as well. So your emotions were transferred. You used to transfer your emotions around you, but now you're managing it. You're actually managing your emotions through you. It's like happening through you. So I'm very happy about this because there is going to be new beginning in terms of emotions. You're going to be much more carefree, and that universe is telling you that why is being carefree a biggest challenge for you. There are people who do not care about things. There are people who just go with the flow. They do not plan anything. They just roam around. You can see a lot of big saints. You can see sadhus. They just don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. They just live today like it is never before, and they just do not plan anything. They just move around and they explore and they give life a chance. And that's how universe is like, why is it so difficult for you? Why do you not give me a chance to give you certain surprises? Like, you want others to surprise you, but when can the other person surprise you? When you give the other person the time to get you something. But here you're not giving universe the time to get you something. You are controlling your life. You're just controlling, you're scheduling yourself, and you're just living in a schedule. You really need to be a bit more carefree about things. You really need to chill a bit. You really need to play a bit. You really need to be like, okay, it's okay, I don't have money. I have house. I'm living here. Today I do not have money. Maybe tomorrow universe is going to give me. Have this faith on universe. Have this energy, because this energy is going to make universe work for you. Universe is your friend. Trust me when I say this. Whoever is watching this live session, see, understand, we did this live session, we're doing this live session, and we also had 11:11. And that is how universe is showing you signs. Everyone who's watching this video, trust me, you have seen 11:11 a lot of times. You have seen 444 a lot of times. You have seen 555 a lot of times. You have seen 12:12 lot of times. You have seen 222 a lot of times. Universe is like, these are all the signs that I keep giving you. I'm giving you a lot of signs. I'm actually giving you messages through a lot of tarot readers, a lot of reels, lot of coincidences are there in your life. Magic is there in your life. If you're not believing in that magic, then how can you believe in me? You need to believe in that magic, and you need to believe I am there, because that magic that is happening is through me. So you have to just be carefree. Just start being very carefree. Do not give a fuck about what's happening around you. Happy birthday to Sejal. May God bless you, and I hope this reading helps you. Yes, so definitely you really, really need to be carefree. You really need to be very, very for a specific period of time. I'm not saying that live your entire life like this. I know no one can live it. A person who has a family cannot live a carefree life. But at least for some time, because you're very close to manifestation. Like, you have been manifesting something since a long time, is what the spirit guide's telling me. And they're telling me that I can give you what you want, but you are not letting me. You are not letting me. When do I give you? You're not free. Spirit guides are like, you're not at all free to take what I want to give you. You really need to make yourself free. Yes. Let's see what is the blessing that the spirit guides are giving you in the current energy. What exactly is the blessing? What are you blessing them with? With a peaceful sleep. I don't know why, but you are going to have less anxiety, you are going to have less depression, less vivid dreams. You're going to sleep a bit more peacefully, you're going to feel more sleepy, and you'll feel like you want to rest more. So there is going to be more of resting. Your mind is going to be at peak. Lavanya, I guess we share the same birth date. So yeah, your mind is going to be at peace. So I feel like it is going to be much more better. You're going to be in a good mental health this time. And I definitely feel that you're going to be much more isolated. You're going to work on yourself in a very positive way. And the spirit guides are blessing you with the spirit guides are blessing you with your own time. The spirit guides are going to keep you alone. The spirit guides are not letting you meet anyone right now, is because is because the spirit guides want you to know yourself much more in a better way. Okay, mine is 11/3/1996. The spirit guides want you to, okay. One message that I've received here is no amount of anxiety can change the future. No amount of regret can change the past. Tell me, what did we talk about? This is something that popped out of this cards, and this is everything we talked about right now. The spirit guide is giving me the confirmation, and it is happening live in front of you. I was shuffling the cards, and this card just flew out, and this exactly talks about what we talked about right now. This is a confirmation of the spirit guide that whatever I said to you was right. Whatever I said to you was right. Okay. Why is everyone sending me birth dates? I do not understand. I'm not doing anything related to my birth dates. Okay. So yes, spirit guides are telling you, this is a confirmation. Spirit guides told you that no amount of anxiety and no amount of regret is going to change the past, and no amount of anxiety is going to change the future. Whatever is going to happen is going to happen. Understand for the fact. And what else? Let's see what else do you think you want to tell people who are watching this video. I'm pulling the card now. Give yourself credit for how far you have come. See, exactly, because whatever you are right now, you wanted to be at that place someday. You actually wanted to be at that place someday. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. I have been making reels, and I'm getting this message again and again and again, and this is the fourth time I've received this message. So you need to just start. You need to just start. Everything is aligned, everything is there. Whatever you need is right now there with you. Just do not. Let's see, there is some more message that I am sensing is going to come from these cards. So I'm going to just pull out one card. Okay. Clear your throat chakra. Didn't I tell you guys, clear your throat chakra? I told you your throat chakra is blocking you. You're sleeping with your mouth open, and you're getting much more depressed. Your childhood was tough, and you were given a different kind of love. This is a message. I want you to learn the art of unconditional love. You do not know that type of love. That love comes without restrictions and control. The type of love you know is toxic. Research about unconditional love. So you need to start researching about this. Know that what you want love, but then you do not know what love is. You will only know it when you let love be. Stop controlling love. So yes, this is what I had for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it resonated, and let me know in the comment section if it resonated.